Hey, welcome back. Irish Redhead, our last video. Holy smokes, this is our favorite so far. But we're moving on. We're moving on. Our St. Patrick's Day Festival celebration 2024. Only thing we're missing is some woo girls, but they must all be downtown. If you've ever been to Nashville, you know what I'm talking about. All right, we're gonna make a cocktail called the Irish Eyes. And this is gonna be our first green cocktail. You gotta have a green cocktail for St. Patrick's Day. All right, so into a mixing tin with ice. We're gonna do, would you believe, Irish whiskey. 1 ounce of Irish whiskey. Next, very short amount of Bailey's. It's got some Irish whiskey in it. I think what they're using this for is to add a little bit of opacity, opaqueness, whatever the conjugation of that right thing is. Because you're only going to use 1/4 of an ounce. And if you don't have Bailey's in your bar, you need to have something like it. And then Crème de Menthe. That's where the green's coming from. Gives it that minty flavor. And we're going to do 1/4 of an ounce. Now next, we're going to add 2 ounces of heavy cream. Is that right?
Correct.
Correct, heavy cream. All right, you could use milk, but cream gives it a little more density. All right. Little tap, little love tap. So I was just thinking, I was like, I like everything that's in this cocktail. We have not, ooh, look at the color. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I like everything that's in this cocktail, but I've never had it put together this way, so how bad could it be? Oh man, look at the color on that. Looks like an Irish milkshake. Let's see what this is. All right, here we go. I think I would like it a little sweeter. So next time I might add a little simple syrup. And creamy drinks are one that you either like or you don't. I'm not typically a fan, but this one's pretty good. Irish Redhead, still #1 in my book. All right, folks, that's 4. 2 more to come. Sláinte. Stay tuned.